In this demo, I will be showcasing Apace multi-site workflow with Adobe products. We will be using Adobe Premiere Pro 2015 CC for the demo. Apace multi-site workflow is designed for media production with multiple facilities, where media assets can be shared across the facilities. Media assets, such as video, pictures, audio files, can reside in any of the facilities, but they can be accessed and displayed in a unified web interface. Users, or editors, can make decisions to transfer assets, proxy or raw, to their facility's Postmap server if the assets are located in different facilities. Editors use an Adobe product like Premiere along with Apace Postmap panel extension to access their media on the Apace storage. They can select whether they want proxies or raw media. Editors who do not have multi-site feature of Postmap will not be able to access other Postmap servers. The following products or services are required for this workflow solution: vStore, our edit-in-place storage; Postmap, our media asset management application; Postmap Panel, our extension add-on for Adobe products; Postmap Global, our global media asset management web application; Postmap multi-site workflow; and Adobe Premiere Pro 2015 CC. Let's begin our demo. We will need to use Apace Global to search for an asset across all our different facilities. You'll see your different Apace servers on the right-hand side. By checking and unchecking a server, assets are loaded appropriately on the left-hand side. The servers are color coordinated and are there to indicate the assets that belong to that server. Let's say that I am doing an edit about animals and I want to get a few clips of horses. I know my facility does not have any, but another one does. I search for horse. Here's the asset that I want to use on my local server. I do not want to download the raw media yet, and I want to work with proxy for the moment. So I right-click, get an asset, select my destination. I do not want my source yet, so I leave that unchecked. I do not need the source immediately, and I will download it when I conform. If the asset has a schema and attributes, you may download those too by checking the appropriate checkboxes. Okay, now that I have pulled those assets, let us go into Adobe Premiere. I have already logged into Apace Postmap panel. The Postmap panel can be accessed by going to Windows and Extensions and clicking Apace Postmap. Now we will search for horse. Here are the assets. As you can see, they have an X and a cloud icon on the top left. The X represents that the asset is offline, meaning the source does not exist, only a proxy. And the cloud represents that this asset was originally from a different Apace server. So I will right-click on the asset and import the proxy. I will then drag and drop into my sequence to start working. Once I am done and ready to conform, I will click on the cog button in the panel. I will click on Modify Project. I want to modify the entire project. I know that this media was offline, so I need to pull from remote server first. Clicking refresh, we can see that the asset is no longer offline. I will now click on the cog button again, modify project, entire project, and I will now leave it on attach original media. We can see now that the asset have been conformed. They no longer say proxy as before, and we are now working with the original source. Now we can export the sequence. Thank you for watching.